Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are coming back, welcome. And for those of you who are new, subscribe, join the fam. Okay, I did just finish a video a little while ago on, well, my last video, it was on affiliate marketing, explaining how it works and the commission part. Now, I know that a lot of you guys do want to know which affiliate marketing programs are there. Just to let you guys know, there are so many to choose from, depending also on what niche you're in and what you are interested in or what you know more about. Okay, so I did take the time to look up the 50 highest, well, basically the 50 highest paying affiliate programs that there are. So I wrote them down and I will read them to you and I will spell them out so that way you know exactly what you're looking for. Okay, the first one is HubSpot. It is spelled HUBSPOT. Okay, the second one is Aweber. AWEBER. And then we have Sendinblue. SENDINBLUE. Okay, we have CovertKit. Sorry. It's CONVERTKIT. And then we have Lead Pages, LEADPAGES. Get Response. I know they pay 33% commission, so you might want to look into that. Okay, Get Response, GETRESPONSE. Okay, SEMrush, SEMRUSH. Okay, Fiverr Affiliates. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard about that. They do have an affiliate program too. Okay, FIVERR Affiliates, AFFILIATES. Pably, PABBLY. Unbounce. I'm sorry, that one's kind of okay. UNBOUNCE. Constant Contact, CONSTANT. Contact, CONTACT. Sorry. Typeform, TYPEFORM. Kajabi, KAJABI. Coursera. I'm pretty sure you guys have probably heard about that one too. That's a big one. COURSERA. Teachable. That's also a big one. TEACHABLE. Big Commerce. BIGCOMMERCE. Shopify. That's also a big one. SHOPIFY. 3D Cart. The number 3, then D, then CART. 3D Cart. Volusion. Sorry. I'm so sorry. It's like really late. Volusion. VOLUSION. And then WP Engine. It's WPENGINE. And then Kinsta. Kinsta is KINSTA. Flywheel. FLYWHEEL. Bluehost. BLUEHOST. HostGator. HOSTGATOR. Green Geeks. GRENGEEKS. Wix. WIX. Amazon Associates. AMAZONASSOCIATES. eBay also has a partner program. So eBay Partner Network. EBAYPARTNERNETWORK. Okay, Target. Target also has an affiliate program. TARGET. Now, I don't really know how to pronounce this one, but they do have an affiliate program that is one of the highest paying ones. Hammaker Schlemmer. HAMMACHERSCHLEMMER. Okay, Spocket, SPOCKET. Murad, MURAD. Eves Rocker, something like that. YVESROCHER. Okay, Scentbird. I know they do candles. They also have an affiliate program. Okay, Scentbird. SCENTBIRD. BH Cosmetics. BHCOSMETICS. Boat Booking. BOATBOOKING. TripAdvisor. TRIPADVIOSOR. Cheap Flights. Yep, flights also have affiliate programs where if you sell flights for them, you get a commission. Okay. TRIPADVIOSOR. Cheap Flights. CHEAPFLIGHTS. Momondo. MOMONDO. Sandals. Sandals Resorts. SANDALS Resorts. RESORTS. Capitalist Exploits. CAPITALISTEXPLOITS. Kabbage. KABBAGE. Sage Financials. SAGEFINANCIALS. Invoice Ninja. INVOICENINJA. Surfshark VPN. SURFSHARK VPN. Ali Dropship. ALIDROPSHIP. Weebly. WEEBLY. Selfie. SELLFY. Buzzsprout. BUZZSPROUT. Promo Republic. PROMOREPUBLIC. CBD. Yep, they also have an affiliate program. So I know that one is a really, really big one. Save the best for last, right? Okay, I hope you guys like these ones. There are so many affiliate programs. I'm telling you, there's hundreds and hundreds. You just got to look for them. And also depending on what you're into, what your niche is, what you're posting about, which affiliate program would be best for you. Okay, hope you guys liked the video. Hope it was very informative. You guys have a good day. Bye.